iPhone 14 Pro Review. Pro perfection, the best gets even better. The iPhone 14 Pro is the best phone for under $1,000. It's powerful, has amazing cameras, sports a beautiful display, and the notch is dead. It's hard to think of anything truly wrong with this device, and it's perfect for people tired of giant handsets. Pros plus Dynamic Island is a good notch replacement. Plus best performance in a smartphone plus stunningly beautiful display. Plus incredible cameras. Cons: no SIM tray may bother some. Photonic engine can get a bit aggressive. Worse battery life than last year. Show more deals. We check over 250 million products every day for the best prices. iPhone 14 Pro, specs starting price, $999. Display, 6.1-inch OLED 2556 x 1179. Refresh rate, 1 to 120 Hz. CPU, A16 Bionic RAM, 6GB storage, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. Rear cameras, 48 megapixels f1.8 main with 2x optical zoom, 12 megapixels f2.2 ultrawide, 12 megapixels f2.8 telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixels f1.9 video, up to 4K 60 fps, cinematic 4K 30 fps, pros 4K 30 fps. Battery life hours, mins. 10-13 charging, 20W wired, 15W MagSafe, 7.5W wireless. Size, 5.8x 2.8x 0.3, 147.5x 71.5x 7.9 mm. Weight, 7.3 ounces 206 grams. Colors, space black, white, gold, deep purple. Apple has really nailed its smartphone formula. The iPhone 14 Pro represents a duality, both as something extremely similar to its predecessor while also being simultaneously new. It features a lot of camera upgrades and the Dynamic Island, which replaces the infamous notch 5 years after its debut on the iPhone X. I can confidently say that the iPhone 14 Pro is the best phone I've ever used, though I'm extremely disappointed by the battery life. At $100 more, the iPhone 14 Pro Max does checks all of the boxes, including stellar battery life.